day in the month that... Oh no, we incorporated on August 13th. Never mind. 2018 though. We are listening to the Bass Rebels music. Playlists. No, we're not. Where are these playlists? Okay, apparently it's not playing the playlist that I wanted to play. Oh, okay, it is. Okay. And what I've got is a cluster of CouchDB servers all running on my Ubuntu virtual machine in a Kubernetes Helm chart. So what I've done for this is I've set it up so that users have their databases managed, which is through I basically sent a authenticated request to change that setting, and it's this setting right here. And you can see all the cluster nodes. I had to send that setting to update that setting on every node. And then what I'm building is I'm building an orchestrator like Kubernetes using CouchDB for authentication and for data management, for replication. So what I've done here is I've added a admin user that receives all the data through replication, and I also have like a normal user, a regular user that gets set up after the admin user gets bootstrapped, and then I have a node that gets bootstrapped, and it gets passed all the way to the admin users so that I can just run one query and it looks at all the data through that one database. So I've built two services, one that allows the registration of users and one for nodes, and I've added settings that can disable both these routes through the admin. And yesterday I just finished up dealing with promise rejection errors by running it with a certain command line flag on handle rejections. So because of this, I realized that I need to rejig my timeouts because they just became useless. I can keep my flat promise because it's used in my user service initializer. No, it's used here. So these are used here, but I need to get rid of this timeout. So what I need to do is reinstall my retry service, my package, Okay. Retry. So the reason for this is now that it's not throwing, I can finally just retry until my login works to the database that I just created by creating a user. So the question becomes, do I want to do retry for any database, or do I want any database login, or like here, or do I want to do it only when I like control that I suppose I could retry here. Oh, I see. Still need the thought promise. But now I'm just gonna retry. Right here. location.
Solving the climate crisis means saying goodbye to something we've been with for a long time. Energy from fossil fuels. That was a great horse for us to ride until we figured out that it wouldn't get us beyond where we are today. And so we have to change parties, folks. We've got to figure out we can do it again. Become part of the solution. With me, Ayana Elizabeth Johnson, and me, Alice Cooper. From Gimlet, How to Save a Planet is out now. Out now to listen for free on Spotify.
That should do it. Okay. So, if I delete just my node, then I should be able to add it back in. Except for the relational stuff. Let's see. No. Sometimes it persists or it replicates a deletion, sometimes it doesn't. And now if I hit that API point, username, very weird. Oh, because I didn't delete the user. Let's try again. Huh. Let's try just deleting this user. See if it makes a difference. No, it was this database. Didn't work. Let's see. This should still, yeah, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So it worked this time? It must not wait long enough? If that's the case. But it never hit this. Let's try that again. Let's see. But even so, if it does work, let's see. Okay, so maybe if I change some of these settings. It goes 10 times. Oh, okay. Factor. The max timeout. Okay, so it's likely had a problem with these timeouts. Let's see if this doesn't work. Okay, so let's see. Dang. Why can't I? It probably thinks it doesn't throw before it's initialized, and then the promise comes back, so it doesn't matter what I do. Because this is like a synchronous thing, a synchronous constructor hiding an asynchronous error rejection. So, but in the routes it works somehow. That might be something else that's throwing that error so that I can catch it. Yeah, I guess when I fix the DDoS, this will get fixed as well.
Look at you, listening to Spotify while you do.
That's annoying. Okay. So it throws and it hides and it never doesn't allow the constructor to throw anyway. Something like that. That's what you get for initializing, for asynchronous initialization in a constructor, apparently. Annoying, but we'll have to live. Once it's not the user driving it. Like once I'm doing it myself, it'll get fixed. Once I'm managing the database per user myself, I'll be fine with this issue. Alright. Oh, and just so you know, the couch per user database doesn't also implies that I can add users publicly, so it's not authenticated or anything. Otherwise, I would want to do authentication. Required, maybe? Yeah, require valid user. So anyway, I guess I get to take this out of my package.json yet again. I'm just gonna add this to make sure it still works. Cool. So it's all registered. Now I just need to rebuild my package.json. And then we can proceed to the pods. I had to do an npm install here because for some reason there's no, like, it fails if I run it through the browser, even though it's the same code. Oh, and maybe I do have something else. That I want to do here. No. And then just do. This is why some of the Python setup for the health monitor, it crashes if I run it through the browser. So with regards to the pods, I have a few things. The edge will need to run some sort of loader module. Which, now that I'm in TypeScript, I can simplify a bit and not use globals. But the most important thing that I think I designed yesterday is these deployments. So I want to have admin core deployments. I want to have admin edge deployments. Okay, so core, I'm saying two things that mean the same thing. So, oh, I see, admin edge deployments, right. So it's not the same thing. That means that by default, every node will be bootstrapped with specific pods, with specified pods from the admin. So every edge node, and then every core node. So core nodes involve edge nodes automatically to be able to run pods, obviously. What I call core is mostly for the orchestration of those pods. So the core edge nodes are like the first thing that a core does after it initializes these services. The edge itself is a separate service, and I want to see if I can do a PouchDB databases. Yeah, check if database exists. Let's see. I suppose I could work with this plugin. But it's kind of old and unpopular. And then if I try this, I could try a login, I suppose. Login. So then I could test the database before, like its login, before I have to worry about signing in. And but I might as well just wait. That's not a problem. So the edge is the single service that I want to do. Oh, and now because I'm going to be doing the service update here, and this is why I wanted to kind of check whether I can log into a database, because this service will need to log into that database anyway, and it will need to wait to log in. Okay. Wow. So I'm gonna need that check to retry for me anyway. So I might as well put that back in. Even though it doesn't, the constructor doesn't work with the retry. The login will, which is really cool. But wait, wouldn't the... Oh, I see. I had the same problem before. Which is, I would need to create this database I would need to create this database. Okay, so the database throws. The database throws. And then I retry the login till it works.
In the fight against COVID-19, we must all continue
Am I still skipping setup?
and follow self-isolation instructions. Self-isolate if you have symptoms.
Yeah.
Self-isolate after testing. Self-isolate if the test is positive. Self-isolate when you return from a trip. And self-isolate.
Yeah, so I think that's what I need to do is,
Self-isolation is important. Please, take it seriously. Learn more at Quebec.ca.
is create the database and then check that I can log in with the retry. Because otherwise, it would never, I suppose I could, it's either this or I could manage my own databases and finish up that work. But that would be a lot of work for me to figure out how am I going to create it. I suppose if I sign in with my admin user and it automatically creates the database for me, so I pass it the only problem is then I won't know, like I did before, then I won't know where, like I'll get a duplicate when I'm trying to create the database, because I won't control when it gets created and when it doesn't. So it all adds up to a big melange of bugs. I suppose the best way for the start right now, so I'd have to debug that to no end, like managing these databases. So I suppose the login route is the safest for the beginning. Alright, let's do this again. So, let's see. Yeah, because it'll just keep retrying. Okay. So, here. How do I do retry? Let it retry. And in fact, I wonder if it'll retry on with just the login. That'll be fun. Alright, that's exciting. Okay. Saves alright. So this might be both an edge and a core library or object model entity. Really? What's wrong with that package? Not installs? Oh, sure. 42. And this. Okay. And maybe this. So I can make sure that the air stops. Let's see. This never gets deleted if it's a node. And then only the user does. Oh, but from the user database. It's weird. Okay, so let's see. Still nothing. It must throw somewhere. Some kind of voodoo here. So let's see. This one. So here. What? Weird, but okay. Okay.
Some gifts say, I care about you. Some gifts say, I'm going to wow you. This year, our gift says both. It's the new Oral-B IO, the electric toothbrush with the irresistible design that dentists will applaud for another reason. It improves oral health by reducing plaque to deliver a professional clean feel at home every single day. This year, get the gift of Oral-B IO. Always read and follow the label.
Okay. So it works normally. And then... Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Whoops. We go through. And it gets database doesn't exist. Okay, let's try again. It doesn't even pass on the air. Come on. I guess I gotta check the result. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna redistribute the files so that they're by core edge at the first level, and then it's services object model, and then after that it's gonna be both also. Okay, so everything works, and then that's my results. Even this, because I can't quiet that error. It's not even like it rejects after this runs. Or maybe because, no, I paused and it still caught it. So let's see. Why? This, right? So here. It didn't do anything. No. So if I go here, my many adventures in trying to debug broken promises. Let's see. Okay. Oh wait. No service. I can't even put it in here. But I can put it there for some reason. I think that's okay. I can try catching the service. Why not? If it's not gonna give me what I want here. Or in the database itself, which is really weird. I know my retry doesn't really work with this constructor. So I'm not gonna reinstall again because that's just gonna take too long. I'm gonna leave that package there. But what I will do is I'm gonna wrap this whole damn thing. Oh, I see. Which I don't want to do. So if I do this, will it work? All the way through. Let's try that. Will I catch it now? Oh, wait. So it's the same problem, I assume. Oops. Yeah. Okay. So apparently I can't wait for... I can't wait for this. Because it just runs through. There's no air. The only reason it does this is because it's an ASIC function at the root level. Wait. No dark add. So if I put it in a timeout, I guess that's my only other option. Is I put in a timeout and a poll, and I can await that signal until it goes through. So in that case, I might have to reactivate these damn no, because I have to create the database anyway. So you can see it's really hard to get these codes to really align to do anything useful ever because there's no agreements or anything as to who does what at what time. So let's see. Wow. It could probably be faster if I did it with HTTP requests at this point. Let's see.
We'll find out what you actually should be doing to help your mouse and the key ways that science is working this all out. How do you transfer human food into a rat? Okay, it's not difficult. Cat now, to listen on Spotify.
So I guess when I do that catch, it automatically, like it goes down, not up. Like it doesn't bubble up, it bubbles down. Let's see. Whoa. There's pools in there. So. Oh, I see. I guess by the time I clear that promise, I might as well just send the HTTP request until it's successful. This is ridiculous. Let's see. Maybe this should help. And I can manage databases this way too. Let's solve the databases. I could do a get. And then once I'm happy, and then I can I'm not sure what this replication does. I know the PouchDB is a process. This is probably different. Let me see. Oh, that's right. So, the reason why I've been having trouble replicating the replication problems is because I'm running the replication, which I can do with the document as I remember, but I'd rather do it this way. So you can see here there's no replication. Okay. So it would fail sometimes. Okay, so this is gonna have to take a redo. Cancel replication. Replication. Oh, cool. So I can disable it. Alright, this should help a lot. And so should retry. And then I'll just use PouchDB just as an easy way. I don't even know what I'm using it for. Oh, just as an easy way of syncing on the client. And that's it. Or on the edge or on the client. And that's it. I can't seem to get it to work otherwise. And I think I just need to retry once I fail. Okay. DB. All right. So I need use nano. Password. That's cool. So it's definitely necessary here. That was really weird with this there. Okay. So this should clear things up a bit. What about nano browser? Can I use that? No. Do I browser? Oh. No. Maybe in an Angular app or something. That might work. Oh, cool. Alpha from 5 years ago. I suppose I could just use HTTP requests again. Let's see. But slouch. I guess I'm gonna have to debug the browser separately or use an HTTP request. This is not what I signed up for. I'm just gonna use Nano. and use the pouch. Otherwise, work around. So okay.
Grâce à l'Economax, profitez d'un réfrigérateur en acier inoxydable iSense avec congélateur tiroir pour seulement 749 $. Couronnez l'année en beauté au plus bas prix garanti. Economax, les bagages d'entrepôt.
Okay. I'm gonna have to take a break soon because this is way too much. Where's this guy? Let's see if we can merge the client and the server libraries at some point, but for now it's not looking easy. I'd rather just get my servers up and then worry about porting to the client. TypeScript is on both. It might just work. Like Nano might just work in the browser. It hasn't been tested or advertised that way. Let's see. I have good feelings about like being able to fill in those holes. No. Okay. So, let's see. Nano. Nano address. const nano equals required nano. Is that the only place? Import nano. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. The DB info dot get the DB name. Hold on. No. Where is this address? Okay. Great. Dot get DB name. Very weird. And DB. Okay. Okay, so I store this. And then I ask it nano.db. Wow. So nothing else. Oh, I see. You tell it what to use. So let instance equals nano address. And then retry. Oh, you know why the retries weren't working is because they weren't, I didn't declare them as sync or as async. That's another problem. Oh. Okay. So if I declared it as async, then it would maybe throw. Let's try something. Okay. So if I try can I do it with async and retry though? Let's see, promise. Oh, nice. So it's in fact not dot catch retry. It's in fact not retry that I want promise retry. Cool. Why are these async functions? Retry. Until the return promise ends up fulfilled or rejected with an error different. Okay. So it's some sort of sync, async. It's not async, but it is. It's not declared async, but it absolutely is. So, and then it goes, it catch, right. If I want to put an async function in there, I can. Do something, I suppose, is an async function itself. Yeah. And this is the promise, basically. Return the result of an async function. Okie dokie. Do something is async. I think I know how to fix it. Try now. And neither's nano. This is the whole point. Node promise. Oh, promise retry. And I wonder if this would work in the browser. Probably. Can't see why not, but we'll cross that bridge later. Cool. So now I want nano for this though. This one can stay. Okay. So whatever, I'm just gonna comment this just in case. Okay. Supposedly, Nano will give me the kind of database replication that I want to do. Actually, let's see.
7-time Grammy Award winner and 5-time CMA Vocalist of the Year, Carrie Underwood brings you her first ever Christmas album, My Gift, featuring the title track, My Gift, with John Legend, plus Christmas classics like Little Drummer Boy and Oh Holy Night. My Gift, the new Christmas album from Carrie Underwood. Listen now on Spotify.
Is your old fridge giving you cold sweats? Thanks to Economax, you can get a new stainless steel Hisense fridge with a freezer drawer for just $749. Crown the year beautifully at the lowest price guaranteed. Economax, furniture and warehouse prices. Modélier frigo vous donne cuisson froide. Grâce à Economax, profitez de réfrigérateur en acier inoxydable Hisense avec congélateur tiroir pour seulement $749. Couronnez l'année en beauté au plus bas prix garanti. Economax, les objets notre beau.
Might work. It might not. Now that I look at it, it doesn't look very good. Still. Like so. Will it blend? Wait, what? That's so weird. Why? No. Let's see. See if this has any impact. It should go once at least. Okay. So I got a conflict, so I never got to this part. So this one should get there. That's weird. Might have something to do with this little error that I'm looking at. Oh, because there's no self, right? Dang it! Var. There you go. Okay. It's a couple too many. Ooh. Okay. And now it's gonna work with the replication because the whole thing went through. Now, the only problem is if I do it the other way, my deletions won't be replicated through the database. Oh man. Okay, so I guess it probably retries fine. Now that... Let's see. Oh no. It's back. So as I suspected, there's still a problem because this doesn't ever let you wait upon it. Like it doesn't promissify its problem. So I guess I gotta use Nano. Because... and retry it. Okay. Nano. Even if I use login, it'll throw an error right away. Or like someday during the sometime during the serving of that request, it just goes, nope, 404. Won't let you wait on me. Thanks so much. I'm just gonna ruin your sandbox. Wow. So yeah, apparently don't try to sign in into a database that doesn't exist. Okay. DB. Get. Database function. Get. This, on the other hand, should be fine. So this goes here. And this goes... Okay. But get... Whatever. Let's hope it throws. Wow. Let's try it again. So because it worked, now it'll replicate my deletions across to here. It's gone. And it replicated the deletion across to, okay. So my server is in tip-top shape. Even though I might not want to replicate it quite like that. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a side-by-side with the other replication. I'll just add. That's what I'll do. I'll just add like a data replication by hand and see before I try out the nano replications. That'll be fun. Alright. So I can delete this and I can delete it out of the users. Okay. So now I don't have any other error other than that. Let's see. Yes! It waited! I'm so happy right now. Okay, so yeah, apparently it does throw an error if you try and get the database. A database that doesn't exist. You try and get its info, and it doesn't work. Okay. So I can delete this. Cool. Not as clean as I would like it, but it works. One last time. One last time for good measure. So now it's not going to replicate my changes. And it's funny because it should. Like, that's another problem I have with the online replication is now I need to run that as a service, not just at the start, which sucks for me because I have to write more code. But I guess now is the good time to say, wait, what? That's really weird. How'd that even happen? What's the admin? This will be an error. I just want to take a peek at my password. Okay. Okay. So then I go.
Smell of the wild all season. Wild collection holiday gift bags from Old Spice. Tap now to give him grizzly bear level respect with Bear Glove body wash. Roaring notes of citrus and spice.
I get it.
Sophisticated Wolfhorn body spray. Suave, sweet
Duplicate.
to ridiculously long-lasting scents because your body is yours all day. Usually. Tap now to buy Old Spice holiday gift bag that includes body wash.
Alright. So that's a duplicate. Nothing got set up in terms of server replicate, like server-based replication. So will it propagate? I guess it did. Okay. So I don't have to be nervous about if I put in nano. I don't have to be nervous about deleting wow. November 21st. Okay, so this was a long time ago. I was testing the replication myself. Okay. So I guess my next step before I reorganize the files is I need to rewrite the replication itself into Nano. So let's see. So if I go here, That's all I really need to be set up for that. And where am I? Replication. And this one. So if I can recreate this one, that's awesome. That might be why those files don't disappear when I try to delete my database, because I had this replication set up. So I guess I might as well. I'll just try a small one, get it working, and then I'll try to re-replicate everything at the end. Let's see. I wonder if it would throw if I don't delete the replication. Okay. So I gotta stop it. And I gotta do this. I really like that I can use this library and not be worried about these errors that I had before. Okay. So I have this as nano. As the base. And then what I need to do source target. Okay, so if I'm already logged in and everything, I should just have a source and a target. And a result, which I can then cancel. Let's see. What's the difference? Like, can I disable a replication? State running? Disable state. Weird. Okay. Whatever. I am going to just replicate. Okay. Where is target and source? Okay. The load doesn't really do anything. Because I have a different one now. This dot server address equals this server instance equals nano of that. Server instance. Okay, and then this is created. This.arg.source and target is going to be replicated like so. Equals await this dot server instance, yeah, or just server, because by the time I say instance my beard falls off. Where is it? Oh, this is database. Okay. All right. So server .db .replicate this .arg .source this dot arg options. Where are these options? I suppose I can just look them up in this one. Let's see. Source. Oh, do I have to? Let's see. Continuous true. Continuous true. Replicate. Cool. Will it blend? Create list. Okay. And then I can do my deleting. If this works. Let's see. Wow. Did I get a error? No. What do I have? Oh, come on. It didn't work. No error, it didn't work. Dang. Okay. How did that get there? Let's see. Is it local? Is it just running? That's so weird. Do I have to make a document? Wait, no. Wow. That's really weird. So if I stop the server and I put a new doc, Will it save? Wow. Somehow I created a replication that doesn't show up. My goodness. How am I even gonna get rid of it? Tasks? Ooh, okay, okay. So at least I can see it in tasks. Regular task. My goodness. Wait, what? That works. This is Replicator. And there's another one. Sure. That's fine with me. I'm sure I'll find out in a painful way when I don't want that. Okay. So there's an ID with that, or? That's really weird. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh yeah, I added that. Nine CF. going to assume that if I want to delete it, I gotta go. That ID. Can I do that?
How much varying are you seeing? Like, is it happening all the time?
All the time. Constant varying.
Schools can vary 10,000 nuts a year. So Lisa Cairo wants to know, how do schools remember where they put them?
Because I don't see them with a little pen and paper and a little map. Right?
Find out how schools keep tabs on everybody on campus.
Excuse me. I think this is because they're optional, but it doesn't matter. So let's see. Okay. Well, that's confusing, but okay. Not sure where I went wrong there. Let's see. Nope. Oh yeah, it's fine. $500. Let's see. Is it because it doesn't have an ID? Or there's no revision? Who knows? Who knows? Okay, good. So, what's the error? Of course. Mm. Enable. Target has to exist. Okay, I'm gonna guess that I'm gonna have to do a replication.enable to do it better. Let's try it this way. Dot replication enable. Let's see. Okay. What now? There we go. Oh, finally. Okay. .id. Is there a revision there? Nice. Okay. So. Yay! Let's do everything. I have a user? I don't have a user? Come on. So it's gonna load. The only problem I can see happening is why is this here? That's some bad code. That's never gonna work. Nope. They should do it for the replication part. The only problem that remains is to save these replications somewhere so that I can try and manage them somehow. But anyway, at least I fixed a critical bug of not logging into the database until... The only thing is that it goes silent if the retry fails. Which is annoying, like who does that? Finally. Okay. So now I deleted the replication. What does that give me? Ooh, it's all gone. Okay, cool. Okay, so it replicated and then it disabled the replication. Cool. So that's that. So now all I have to do is run this one last time. Let's see. Nice. I was racing against the builder so that it would recreate my admin user for me. Oh, and I guess. Okay. So now I have a user. And I have the routes 201 and 201, please. Yes, it's all replicated,
Out in the wild all season with Wild Collection holiday gift packs.
all set, all bootstrapped.
And Grizzly Bears with their
Even if I kill the server, it's still.
sophisticated wolf-horn body spray.
Let's see, does it take deletes? Well,
Long-lasting scents because your body is yours all day. Usually, tap now to buy an Old Spice holiday gift pack that includes body wash, body spray, and antiperspirant, plus a handy.
nice. Okay, so I get to replicate my deletes as well.
To listen to Christmas pop. Spread some cheer
Um,
by Christmas hits mix.
I'm gonna set it back up though.
And Frito-Lay.
Let's see if I duplicate the replication, what would happen.
Holiday season.
Interact asks, what kind of story do you want your gifts to tell?
Just for kicks.
I knew you were looking for a messenger bag for work, so I got you this one. It's from a local designer.
Does it throw an error or does
It would
it
be perfect for you.
Or this?
I couldn't think of anything,
double
so
up?
I got you this tie. Oh,
Let's
you
see.
wear ties, right?
Give gifts that mean a million this holiday season. Shop local.
Okay, nothing bad happened. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so it's a failed replication. But everything's bootstrapped anyway. I'm not managing this stuff very well. Or at all right now. But hey, I can't add nodes and I can't add users that are duplicates. My admin user gets bootstrapped. And even deletions are replicated. So if I delete this, let's see how bad I am at administration. Worst case administration. Let's see. Cancel. Let's see. Users. And just delete that. Worst case. So the admin still has everything. The user still has that. Two oh one. Replications are okay. At least I can filter the retrying ones, so that's not too bad. And they're in the database, so that's cool. And now, ooh, it deleted my previous node config. That's special, even though the replicated ones aren't. So that's why. Okay. Let's see. Let's do it again. If I just do this. And I do this. Okay, so that's still replicated. And then I do this. Alright, so that works. And everything's set up now, or everything's bootstrapped for my small test case. Except for these failed. Like, the worst case would have been I just like have to. Let's see what it looks like. I think it's a revision, or I'm not sure why it has to retry. No. It's probably the revision or something. I don't know. In any case, I think I've accomplished my goals for today. And I'm excited to see what these small incremental changes will bring for Sunday, when we're gonna have a big one, day 3 of coding from Friday. Slowly but surely, the Stark OS is taking shape. Today I finally managed to get around to using Nano, the actual Node.js library for using CouchDB, to wait so that I don't throw an error in PouchDB, which has got a bad constructor that essentially doesn't allow me any other option than throwing a 404. And then I learned how to replicate the right way through Nano. The only thing is managing these replications, which I'll have to think about when the time comes, which is not at the beginning, not right now. Next time, I think I'm doing the Edge node, and it will wait for the server to add its node. I don't know, I guess I didn't think this one through, because I could have just done that today, but I guess I would rather just, I discovered this replication and I'm happy about that, but next time it'll be pod admin, core admin, and edge admin deployments. So that's for bootstrapping each of the nodes on the core and on the deployment on the edge server. And I think I will need to share attachments, like share the code, because it'll be the same config. It'll just be copied over to the node database. I might have to duplicate it, I don't know. But the pod deployment and the actual pod status are sort of the same thing, more or less. It's just one is for me to try and dictate, like that's the setting, that's the deployment. The deployment is the setting, and then the status is the actual what is being run. by the node. So anyway, I hope you learned something. I certainly learned a lot. This is Friday signing off. Have a nice Friday, the 18th.